everybody. Uh, we will continue with our assignment on identifying chord qualities. So as you know, with the last class or during the last video, we discussed the four different chord qualities. So remember, those are major, minor, diminished, and augmented. Okay? So these are the four chord qualities. Let's alter the screen there so you can see it maybe a little more clearly. So we have the major, the minor, the diminished, and the augmented. So we said during the last video, that it's helpful to use certain descriptors in order to help us identify what the chord quality is. So as I said, it's one thing to understand from a theoretical perspective, meaning which degree of the scale that the chord is built on or derived from, but it's also good to understand the mood or the feeling that the chord actually exudes. So we were saying that the major, as I see it, it's a peaceful, right? Somewhat peaceful, I would say stable, but maybe something stability. It's a peaceful sound and it's a sound of stability, So let's see this. And when I hear this, it just sounds content. It's peaceful in stability. It doesn't really have an inclination to do anything. It's not, aesthetically offensive in any way. There's no sort of notes that are sort of rubbing you the wrong way orally. Everything sounds very consonant. It sounds like it's where it's supposed to be. There are no rubs. Maybe that's what I'm trying to say. And then we said with the minor, I think we said solemn, correct? It has sort of a solemn sound. And, and I was trying to steer away from sad, but maybe there's a certain sadness to it, I guess. Maybe dark. Okay. So this is there's a solemn, sad, dark. I would even say calm. And some people will say, well, maybe the major can be bright. And I've heard people oftentimes say that minor has a very soft sound. So you can see we're expanding our descriptors. Now diminished. Maybe almost wicked. What other descriptor comes to mind? Sinister. I think the descriptor that we used last time was suspenseful. Okay. Now, the fourth is augmented. So I think we said that it had a suspended sound. We also said that it sounds very dreamy. Remember? Dreamy. So as I stated during the last video, whenever, certainly more in older movies and in television shows, whenever they have someone falling asleep, they always seem to use this chord or the scale. It's this sort of dreamy or altered state. Maybe we can even say that. Altered state. All right. So we have quite a few descriptors to choose from. All right. Now, what I want you to do is to number your sheet of paper from 1 to 10. Okay? So I'm going to play 10 chords. So you'll need to identify whether the chords I play are major, minor, diminished, or augmented, or whether or not they sound peaceful, solemn, wicked, suspended, or stable, dark, sinister, or dreamy, or bright, soft, suspended, or suspenseful, or sounds like it's creating an altered state. However you want to look at it, that's totally up to you. Okay? So here we go. Number 1. Let me put this down so you can actually see my fingers. All right, here we go. Number 1. Number 1, second time. Number 2. Number 2, second time. Number 3. Number 3, second time. Number 4. Number 4, second time. Number 5. Number 5, second time. Number 6. Number 6, second time. Number 7. Number 7, second time. Number 8. Number 8, second time. Number 9. Number 9, second time. And number 10. Number 10, second time. Okay, so I'll give you a second just to think about it. I won't really play through them all again. We'll just see how well you do. You can always stop the video and play them back. Okay, so let's check, see how well you do. Number one, what do you think? F major. All right. Well, I'm not even going to do that. I'm just going to put, yeah, how to, because I think we were talking about using symbols, so we need to get used to those as well. Number two, that was diminished, G diminished. So remember, the diminished sign is the small circle. Number three, another diminished, A flat diminished. Again, the diminished has the small circle. Number four, augmented, B flat augmented. So remember, augmented has the plus sign, all right? Number five, minor, A minor. So remember, the minor has the little slash, or the minus sign. Number six, major, B major. So remember, with the major triad, no symbol whatsoever, only the chord name. Number seven, C sharp major. Number eight, diminished, E diminished. Number nine, E flat, augmented. Remember, augmented has the plus sign. And number 10, anybody? Okay, right, major, D major. So remember, the major is the letter name without any symbol whatsoever. All right, so let's just play them one last time. F major, G diminished, A flat diminished, B flat augmented, A minor, B major, which is number 6. Number 7 is C sharp major. I guess I can let you see my hand now. And number 8 is E diminished. Okay? Number 9 is E flat augmented. And last but not least, number 10, which is D major. Okay, we will keep doing these until we get them all correct. As I said, this is certainly a part of a journey. It's not something that you do one time and say, okay, I think I got this. Nurturing our ears and our oral skills is something that we will do for the duration of being a musician. Okay, so that concludes this portion. Stay tuned for creating and identifying 1, 4, and 5 chords. All right, thanks.